Welcome to HMD Healthcare. HMD is a pioneer in manufacturing medical devices for a demanding global market. Over 6 decades, it has manufactured several technologically advanced medical equipment, including auto-disable syringes, single-use syringes, pen needles, and many more. HMD was started in 1957 by its visionary founder, late Mr. Nath. Following his father's footsteps, Mr. Rajiv Nath is leading the company to provide innovative medical devices.
When I took over from HMD, the responsibility of 3,000 employees fell on me, and also of our 4,000 dealers and their employees, as well as nearly 200 vendors and their employees and their families. The goal was simple: to be in the top 3 of medical devices that we make, but worldwide. And to achieve that with quality, ethics, and integrity.
In 1959, HMD collaborated with a Japanese corporation to produce glass syringes and subsequently added other medical devices like surgical blades, infusion set, IV cannula, etc. of international standards. Currently, HMD exports medical equipment to over 100 countries. It has an efficient team of over 4,000 employees and 4,500 dealers spread across India. HMD received the prestigious Good Design Award in 2018 and a Star Performer Award in the 50th EEPC India National Award for Export Excellence. HMD aided the COVID-19 vaccination drive by supplying Kojak AD syringes to the Indian government as well as UN bodies and governments around the world. HMD launched Dispovan insulin pen needle to provide patients with a reliable insulin administration solution. It has also developed a Dispoject safety needle with the SIP feature to reduce the risk of needle stick injuries among healthcare personnel.
I won't go in detail about our advanced technology, infrastructure, and investments in highly automated production lines. But I would like to emphasize that we care for the safety of our healthcare workers and our patients. So we benchmark performance and expectations of our competing products to deliver world-class products to the professional needs.
HMD's long-term goal is to attain top position in each business segment.